So I'm so excited. It was so dry that I thought I had killed this plant. And as you can see, the leaves are very happy now that it started to rain. And it's got some cute little flower buds on it. So I'm very excited about that. This is a Barbados cherry. But what I'm crazy more excited about is I just noticed I have this gorgeous peach on here. I didn't think any of them stuck. I thought they had all fallen off. And then I saw that and I was like, what the heck? And I'm so excited. But the lack of water did kill this grenadilla giant passion fruit, basically. So it is unfortunately probably dead unless it comes back from the roots. But you guys, I was so excited. And as a kind of little bonus, there is this very, very bug-eaten peach right here. But this is crazy exciting. I'm so happy for that. So let me know about your wins in the garden today, or if you had any losses, and we can celebrate together. All right, bye guys. Mom. So I guess it's been a really long time since I've been out here. It's been too hot, and I just noticed that I also have some bananas up there. So this will be the first time that this banana tree has bloomed. So this is supposed to be a tall Namwa, and we will see. Actually, I think it was labeled as ice cream banana, but that's probably the Namwa. It takes so much extra time to hand water, but I love it because as I'm doing that, I get to inspect all the plants. And so here, I noticed that this Lisa Atamoya has some flowers on it. So this will be the first time that it has ever bloomed for me. And then I was in the backyard and I noticed that my Wampe plant has some bugs on it, so I get to take care of that. And I just love hand watering and get to inspect my plants. Like, that gives me so much joy. My giant tomato plant is still going pretty strong, so it still has lots of healthy growth along the edges, but the middle is starting to dry out a little bit and it's starting to get spider mites. So although there's still tons of tomatoes in there I need to harvest and do stuff with. I could pick tomatoes on this every single day and get buckets full. And the next day, there'd still be so much more. This is Everglades tomatoes.